Okay, here you go. Turkey. Look at his legs. Look how excited he gets. Do you want some more? Huh? Do you want some more? Is it good? Okay, you want another bite? You like it? You like it? Here, have some green beans. Not quite the reaction of the turkey. You want some more turkey? Oh, yum! It's good, huh? You want another bite? Okay, just wanted to show you guys he's having turkey now.